Apple is gearing up to redefine portable computing once again with the introduction of its next-generation MacBook Pro, featuring the all-new M5 chip. This device is more than just an iterative update, it's a finely tuned machine aimed at professionals, creatives, and developers who need top-tier speed, efficiency, and performance. From a design perspective, the MacBook Pro sticks to Apple's well-known aesthetic. It keeps the premium aluminum body, sharp lines, and familiar display notch. However, fans may be treated to a fresh new color option, possibly matte black or a sleek dark titanium, adding a modern twist to the familiar look. The display remains a standout feature, boasting a mini LED Retina XDR panel with ProMotion technology for ultra-smooth visuals at 120 Hz. This ensures sharp contrast, deep blacks, and rich colors, making it ideal for content creators working in photo editing, HDR media, and color-sensitive projects. At the core of this machine lies the M5 chip, built using an advanced 3nm process by TSMC. It offers a significant leap in performance, up to 25% faster than its predecessor. This isn't just about higher benchmark scores, it's a shift in how much power and intelligence you can carry in a single device. With enhanced AI capabilities, the neural engine has been vastly upgraded, enabling fast, local processing for machine learning tasks, transcription, media editing, and more, all with better privacy and no reliance on the cloud. The M5 Max variant raises the bar for GPU power, thanks to increased cores and higher memory bandwidth. This benefits users in demanding fields like 3D rendering, film production, and simulation, where speed and real-time responsiveness are crucial. Despite the performance gains, battery life remains impressive. Thanks to the chip's refined architecture and seamless hardware-software optimization, the laptop can run for over 20 hours during lighter use. Even under intense tasks like compiling code or exporting videos, battery performance stays strong, minimizing the need to stay tethered to a charger. Connectivity also sees a significant boost. Thunderbolt 5 is expected, allowing for faster data transfers, enhanced support for external displays, and better latency for accessories. Coupled with Wi-Fi 7, users can expect strong wireless performance even in crowded areas. Port-wise, Apple is likely keeping the existing selection, multiple Thunderbolt ports, an SD card reader, HDMI 2.1, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the ever-popular MagSafe charging connector. The HDMI update will support higher resolutions and refresh rates, catering to professionals using 4000 or 8000 displays. The keyboard and trackpad will receive subtle improvements too. The Magic Keyboard may offer a quieter, more responsive typing experience, while the already class-leading trackpad could see refined haptic feedback and smarter palm rejection. As for storage, options are expected to range from 512GB up to a massive 8TB, and memory configurations could climb as high as 128GB on the M5 Max model. This makes the MacBook Pro ideal for developers, researchers, and media professionals dealing with large data sets or complex workflows. Running on the new macOS 15, this laptop is built to take full advantage of the M5 chip. The OS will offer more efficient multitasking, deeper AI tools, and new features like intelligent code completion and smart debugging in Xcode. For those working remotely, enhancements in microphone clarity, noise suppression, and video effects will make virtual meetings clearer and more professional. Prices will likely start around $1,999 for the base 14-inch version, while maxed-out 16-inch configurations could exceed $4,999. While the cost is premium, the combination of performance, energy efficiency, and long-term support makes this an investment-grade machine for serious users. Looking ahead, Apple may unveil a complete design overhaul by 2026, possibly introducing OLED displays and slimmer profiles. But for now, the focus is on delivering a rock-solid professional platform with cutting-edge AI and unmatched efficiency. The M5 MacBook Pro isn't just a new laptop, it's a high-performance workhorse built for today's power users and tomorrow's innovators. With massive upgrades in computing power, battery life, and intelligent features, this machine is ready to handle whatever you throw at it.